Right, today we're back on the 84 Chevy van. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up for a car show. It's coming up in a few days. And well, first of all, you can see it needs washed pretty bad. First couple times that I washed this thing, it was so crusty. This is what I used. It hasn't had a proper wash or a buff in who knows how long. So that's what we're gonna do today. This paint, listen to that. Sound like sandpaper. Feels like it too. So we're gonna see if we can bring that back a little bit. Maybe get some shine going. Might be a curse because then I'll be able to see all the dents, but that's what we're doing, so stay tuned. Well, I got it about as clean as you can get it for some old dried out paint. I do have a few spots, like I got some tar or something down here I gotta clean up. Up towards the front I found a few greasy fingerprints. Don't know how those got there. While I'm doing that, I'm also going to go around and find little spots like this, scratches and chips, and just put a little paint on them. See if we can blend them in a little bit. So I'll work on that now and get it ready for the buffer. The other day when I started polishing the van, said there was a car show this weekend. And well, now the car show's tomorrow. Van's not fully polished, but the main part that you're gonna see is like from there down. So most of the van's got polished. And of course it turned out like you thought it would. You can see every scratch and ding dang dent. But that's what happens when you have old paint that wasn't taken care of, especially when it was an old work van. But it really did bring out all the imperfections in the paint. So you know, it's kind of shiny now, so there's, you know, yeah, but then you know, now it's kind of like a different finger when you see all the crap on the van, little scratches and dings. But it's alright, I guess. Nobody's looking at that, they're looking at the Dragon. So what I'm going to do now is wash it, get all that polish off everything. I think I'll try to throw some wax on it, at least on the hood, so the dang bug guts aren't sticking to it so bad. Because I still want to polish up the chrome. There isn't a lot of chrome, but more than a new car. But it's been a long time since all the chrome's been polished up and everything, so I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like with kind of shiny paint. Alright, I'll go ahead and get it washed up. Well, I finally got it all washed up and it's looking pretty good. Sun's going down. I still got a lot of stuff to do. So I think the next video will be the car show. So make sure you check that out. So I think we're just going to make this the end.